folks, this is Greg from Catfish Stalker Outdoors. I wanted to do a short video on the planer boards that I use for catfishing while trolling or drifting. They are planer boards from Castaway Bait and Tackle, the Southern Custom Catfish Tackle. I like these boards because they hold up heavy duty weight and cut bait. They are reversible boards that can be run on either the starboard or port side. Myself, I run 6 boards and I stagger the boards by 30 feet, covering a wide area for a better chance of a hookup. You can suspend fish or drag the bottom. All you do is let out the line depth you want, then put a loop in the line and slide it through the pigtail swivel. Then clip your line to the clip and let out a line as far as you want your board out to the side. Boards can be put out like 90 foot, and I put out another one 60 and then 30 on both the starboard and port side. These boards can be purchased online at Castaway Baits and Tackle. They are 2 for $50. It's a great way to cover more area and catch more fish. Thank you.